The human brain is the most sophisticated and interesting organ we have. In a day, your brain uses more energy than all your muscles put together. Moreover, the brain is very good at what it does. The brain can process visual images, make abstractions, recognize patterns, and while it's doing all that, it manages your entire body. These are tasks that even the greatest supercomputer would find difficult, which is a shame, because a lot would happen if our computers could do just a few of these tasks. Not only could we start talking to our computers, finding cancer earlier, and more efficiently searching for ET, we could also do things that make some serious money. For example, recognizing what to advertise for each visitor who comes to your website, helping banks make better risk assessments, or even making computer games more realistic. This is all extremely applicable to New Zealand, with hundreds of new computer science graduates produced every year, and a history of profitable computer startups. All of this is great, but the human brain is still far better at doing these tasks than all the computer software on the market. So, why don't we just copy what the brain is doing? Because until now, we didn't know how the brain actually does it. In the early 1900s, it was recognized that the neuron, a strange and tree-like cell, played a crucial role in the brain and nervous system. Since then, neuroscientists have learned a lot. We now know the structure of the neurons, how neurons communicate using electrical signals, and how neurons can turn on or turn off other neurons. Neuroscientists have also taken a top-down approach. When we use a particular area of our brain, that area heats up slightly, which can be seen using MRI imaging. In this way, neuroscientists can map out which parts of the brain are used for performing different tasks, such as visual processing and emotions. But what happens when one of those areas is damaged or removed? Does that person lose the ability to perform that task? Surprisingly, no. The brain just reorganizes and begins to perform that task somewhere else. So what does this mean? It means that the brain uses the same method to do all of our higher functions. Our visual processing is done using the same sorts of neural circuitry as our emotions. This is great news, because it means that there is one secret underlying most of the brain's complex behavior. And it is this secret which we have finally found. I want to tell you this secret, and how it could be used to set off a massive revolution in computer use by starting to build the brain.